In this video, we're going to provide a quick walkthrough on how to migrate data from a suppression list to a preference list. So the first thing we'll need to do is access our suppression list. We'll do so from admin, marketing administration, and then suppression list. We'll then work to edit our suppression list. And to export the emails in our suppression list, we're going to click this icon here. This will generate a file that looks like this. We'll then work to copy these email addresses within the export file. And now we're going to need to access the preference list that we want to move these emails over to. So we'll head back into SugarMarket, click Open, Lists, Preference Lists, create a new preference list or edit an existing one. In this case, we're going to edit an existing one. Then you want to click the Add button, Import Email to Preference List option. And here you'll see we have a link to the preference list import template. You want to open this link, which will provide a template file for the import. And that way you can ensure your data is formatted correctly. And this file will appear like this. So you can see we've already copied over those email addresses from the suppression list. And we've also set an opt-in status for all of the emails. You'll need to set these for each email in the import. Since this is a suppression list, we set all of these to false. You'll then save this file, and once it's ready to go, we'll head back over to SugarMarket. You'll select your file using this field. Then you'll set no status change since we set the status in the file. Confirm the contacts have confirmed consent or legitimate interest, and then click Import to move those emails over to your preference list from the suppression list. We hope this is helpful. Thank you.